Your mistakes are proof that you are trying. Means either you lose or win, it doesn't matter. A thing which matter here is a word try. At least you guys are trying your level best there. So a person who is standing in front of you guys, we are Srishti and Himanshu, and today we are here to do a commentary on race which is going on between Nepal and India.
So welcome back all of you on the horse racing. Today we are here to discuss about the who will win the match. Here are the five horses and here are the also unique type of horses like the storm, wind and many more who are running very well as their body is too much flexible.
As we know, the race has started now. The two horses, Chetak and Irani, are running too much slowly, and that's what exactly is happening. After second round, the horse Chetak is getting too much feeble.
But I am watching the horse racing in which the storm running very well, and I remember a chapter of Hindi like Chetak Kivirta, and they're running like the Chetak.
What do you think? Which one will gonna won this match? Won this race?
As for me, of course, the storm win the match.
As per me, I can bet that the third one will definitely gonna won this match. As we know that the race has starting, but still most of the horses are still running way too much slowly and steady.
And let's see who will get the prize of 1 lakh and who will lose this race.
It's time to show you the most top 5 winners. But as we know, the performance was so well that even the judges are in confusion too.
But now the third one got injured.
Now still the third one got injured, but still the remaining one are going and they both are running neck to neck. I'm not saying that except him, others are not leading. Others are leading too, but still as we can see, the speed of his running is on next level for real, which is too much shockable for me and for us too.
And the race has started, but the fifth one is running very slowly as like he is walking.
So it's time to take a little short break. We will meet again on the same channel. So keep watching us until you will not get the final result. Thank you.
So hello and good evening to everyone. I know that why you all are very excited. You all are very excited to see the match, that who will win and who will lose in this match, because this match is a very interesting. So let's see who will win and who will lose the match and who will get 2 lakh rupees. So let's start. 3, 2, 1 and go. All horses are running very fastly and near to near, and all horses are very powerful and running very fastly. And do you know that in this match that the all horses are very strong and very powerful? They are running so good and very best. Hey Shunakshi, oh my God, see there that horse number 6. He has fallen in the ground. Oh my God. No, see Miss Arushi, horse number 6 is very energetic. Yes, he is standing. Yes, he is standing and running very fast. Very passionfully. And
Yes, sir.
running very fastly, very good way.
Yes, you are saying right.
I think that
leave-
number 6 is first.
You are saying right. He leave horse number 4, horse number 5, and he is, as per my according, he will get second position or first position, because I was thinking that he will lose the match, but now I am thinking that he will get first and second position. 6 and 5, they are near to near and Yes,
fighting.
sir.
Who is winning this match? I don't know that, and the fans are very excited to see that who will win the match. And see, horse number 5th, he lived horse number 3, 4 and 5. Do you know that I was thinking that horse number 1 will win, but because he always in any match he wins all match, but in this match according to me he will lose, because horse number 6 and 5, they are trying to win and they are running near to near. No, do you know horse number that? This is a very good and yeah, I know he is a very good and powerful. This is a very fantastic thing. All is a goal. Yeah, you are saying right. But do you know that horse number 1, I know he always win the match. But do you know that now the horse number 6 and 5, they are running near to near, and they are in a top level. So that's why, according to me, they will win.
Final stage is coming.
So let's see.
Win in
I
this
don't
race?
know. I don't know that who will win, and the fans are very excited, and I am also excited that who will win the match.
So you are watching who is win and who is lost. So,
So if you want,
second part.
yes.
Thank you. Welcome to the amazing horse race show in 2026. So today, as you can see, there are total 5 stronger horses in this race.
Yes, of course, all the horses are ready to give their best performance, and they are looking very energetic and powerful.
So I hope you are excited to watch this race. And today, let's see who will win this exciting race.
Yes, start the counting. 3, 2, 1, start.
Start. So it is very difficult to guess that who will win this race.
But I think horse number 3 will win the race because he's looking very strong and powerful.
Maybe, but you can also think that the horse number 2 is also running very fast. So how can you say?
Yes, this competition is becoming a close competition.
That's why I'm saying it is very difficult to guess.
Oh, can you see horse number 3 is at the first position?
But you can also see horse number 2 is also running very fast.
But he's before the horse number 3. I think my prediction will come true.
So let's see who will win.
Yes, because everyone is giving their 100% to win this race and
Yeah.
to win the prizes, as their owners are also give their 100% to win them.
Yeah, of course. The public are also saying it is very difficult to guess that who will win. And as per my perspective, the horse number 2 will win because they're also
And
they're also running very
people are
fast.
cheering loudly as they are enjoying this race, and
Yeah.
they are looking very joy.
So yes, you are saying absolutely right. What do you think?
So I think it's time to take a little short break. After a short break, we will tell you the winner
That
who
who will win this race?
and who will win the prize and the trophy. So till then, take care.
Stay tuned with Good Parents.